Hey guys, I'm Mavis and welcome to my channel. If you're new, you're welcome. If you've been here before, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how I do my half locks and half sewing. And please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And let's jump in. So I did some cornrows on the back and then I covered it with a net cap. Since the hair I'll be using will be ombre black with black roots and my hair is clearly colored, so I did that. And then at the front I did some 3-strand braids, like braids, just normal braids. Then the hair that I used was guest girl braids and this weave, which looks so natural but it's synthetic. And the weave is called True Almeida by True Collection. It's like a fashion idol brand. I began by doing the weave sewing at the back. I didn't push the needle through the sewing, it's quite hard to do so I just push it under and through my hair as well. So you can see how the cap has really helped in making my roots look more black other than showing my like brown orange color of my hair. Yes, so I'll do that at the entire back. And yeah, pretty much. And also the needle I used was quite thick and blunt. I did not want to prick myself while doing my hair because that's just not we are about to do. And yeah. So at the front where I did the single braids, I'm going to attach a piece of weave onto that strand of hair. I'm just going to cut from the weave that I used at the back. I'm just gonna sew it onto my hair, but I ensure I don't sew it so many times because I really do not want to damage my hair or anything like that. So after that, I'm gonna wrap my hair with the black curly hair for the guest girl to ensure that I have like black roots, and it will look quite natural because as you can see my hair's outgrown from the color I had, so it's going to pretty much be black roots and blonde ends, and I really quite like this style. It's not so complicated, it's quite simple. Yeah. And I hope y'all are gonna try this hairstyle and let me know how it's gonna turn out. Okay?